Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix SPEN is not working on the S23 Ultra and how we can fix this up. So this particular issue is happening for many of the users, so we're going to talk about how we can fix this up. The first one is all about when you're having this particular trouble. The first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to reinsert the SPEN. That is what we have to do. If you're using the SPEN right now, what you need to do is, for example, let me take this out. So you're using the SPEN and it is not working. The first one, what you need to do is we just need to reinsert the SPEN. You have to reinsert it back. Once afterwards, just wait for hardly, I have to say, 1 minute. After the 1 minute is successfully done, you just need to take it back and you can use it. So try this one. This did work out for many users right now. As you can see, it is all working fine. So this might be helping guys out. So you can do like this as the first time. Let me insert it back. So this is what you have to do the first time. So after trying with this, if the issue is still there, you can try with the next one. That's what we need to do, a reboot on your device. So to do a reboot, we just need to press the power button over here, the volume down and the power button together. So I'm going to press my two hands over here. You can see this particular one. This represents the volume down and this represents the power button. So let me press and hold both the power together. When I press this, I'm getting this option. There is an option called restart. So just need to tap on the restart. And once the restart is successfully done, you just need to try, launch the game, and you have to see whether the issue is solved. After this, once the restart is done, most probably you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Next one is all about, even after trying with this, if the issue is still there, you can try with updating the software, because sometimes a software bug even can cause these kind of issue. So to update the software, just go over here, go to the settings. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to about phone. Or you can go over here in the software update. You can, let me go back, tap on software update, just tap on download and install, just resume the download. Here we are supposed to download this, but we're in the middle of video, so I'm gonna skip this up. Just download this, and once after the OS is up to date, most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do when it comes to how to fix the S Pen is not working or it is not detecting on your S23 Ultra, and how we can fix this up. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.